Hello, my dear learners. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So, my dear learners, here we will see about Windows 10 software. Okay, we will see how the Windows 10 operating system works on. Okay, we will see some of the functions of Windows 10 software. Okay. So let's start. Let's see, because this chapter is little bit lengthier. So we will see Windows 10 software in detail. Each and everything we will see about it. Okay. So let's start. First, hi, I am Marvin. Friends, we have already learned about operating systems and how it works as an intermediate between a user and a computer. We know what is operating system in the previous classes. We know. Many people work on Windows 10 operating system these days. Nowadays, Windows 10 operating system is much more popular. It is introduced by Microsoft with many more advanced features. It provides a user-friendly environment to the person who use it, and it is easy to use. Of course, Windows 10 is very easy to use, okay, and they have very advanced features on it. It provides us more security features and updates to help us to stay safe against virus threat. In the previous classes, we read about Windows 10 and its various features. In this chapter, we will learn about more advanced features of Windows 10. In this class also, we will see Windows 10, but more advanced features of Windows 10. Okay, so advanced features of Windows 10. So what are the advanced features that is there in Windows 10 software or Windows 10 operating system? Let's see. So Windows 10 provide us various tools that help us user to perform multiple tasks in Windows. So we can able to do multiple tasks in Windows with the help of Windows 10 software. It has various multitasking tools like live tiles, snap, assets, custom start menu, etc. It also provides us visual desktop so that we can do more organized, focus and ready to perform all the work. Let us discuss a few distinct features of Windows 10. So let's see what are the features of Windows 10 operating system. Starting with more personal. Okay, so this features of Windows 10 works like a personal digital assistant that is most widely and efficiently used for playing games. Normally, this system is used for the playing games. It is more personal. It gives you a more personalized version. It provides us the features that help us to synthesize device and phones. Okay, now Continuum. What does Continuum do? So Continuum is a new features that helps in Windows 10 in detecting what type of device a user is on and help the operating system configures itself accordingly. In other words, it helps the user to switch between desktop and tablets mode on your device. To confer these features, we need to follow these steps. Okay, we have to follow these steps. What are these steps? Step 1, go to the notification area or the taskbar and click on notification icon. See, in the taskbar, notification icon is there. Okay, so click on notification icons. Okay, so second step, this will open various options. So they will open various options. Step 3, click on tablet mode on option. The window appears will change into the tablet mode. See, the window change into the tablet mode. Okay, now when the tablet mode is on, then the start menu appears in full screen along with the window that are currently open. The tablet mode maximize all the apps. They will maximize all the apps, remove all the taskbar icons, and only essential notification icons will be displayed. So only essential notifications icons will be displayed there. In tab modes, the taskbar only displays the start button, back arrow icon to search, and the task view button. These things will be there on the taskbar icon. Okay. Now we will see Cortana. What is Cortana? How these Cortana works in Windows 10? So Windows 10 has a powerful virtual assistance tool called Cortana. What's that? Cortana. Okay, Cortana. which uses the big search engines to perform tasks such as setting reminders and answering the questions for the user. It can answer through the text or verbally. So they give you the answers in the verbally or in the text form. Who? Cortana. That is Cortana. But for the verbal replies, you need a microphone to talk. You need the microphone to talk for that. There are many other things that Cortana do for us. For example, playing music, playing games, set reminders and send emails, note down something, find files and folders, programs, run our program, set alarms and open any apps on our computers. These things done by the Cortana. Okay, we need to follow the given steps to switch on Cortana on the computer. Let's see, these are the steps we can open Cortana in our computer. First, click on the search box which is located on the taskbar. See, click on the search bar that is there. Click on gear icon. So go on gear icon on the left side of the menu which will display. See, the setting window will be appear. See, this is a setting window will be appear if you click on the gear icon. Step 3, now move the slider right in the Cortana setting. Step 4, Cortana will start collecting information about you. So they will start collecting information. And step 5, once it is activated, then it becomes visible on the screen. See, this is the thing that Cortana become activated. See, the screen is there. So this is the thing. Okay, here we can able to do all these things with the help of Cortana. They give you the answer verbally as well as in the form of text. Now we will see task view. What does task view do? What does task view do? So task view is another interesting features in Windows 10 that enable us to organize the application running in our computer. So they organize all the applications that is running in the computer with the taskbar. Okay, task view, we can see the application that is running in our computers. Sometimes we minimize some of the applications. Okay, so they show all the application that might be used by you. Okay, so we can create any desktop and view all the desktop together by clicking on the task view button which is located on the taskbar. When all the desktops start appearing in the view, that we can drag and drop different apps from one desktop to another. See, this is the thing we can do able to do. See, these are the things. In the task view, we can see these Chrome, file managers, my computer, all these applications are open in my computers. Okay. Now, we will see Edge. What is Edge do? So, Edge is a default web browser in Windows 10. This feature of Windows help us to browse the internet safely and quickly. With the help of Edge, we can able to browse internet safely and quickly. It provides us the options to activate the reading mode and only let us open a web page which displays only text and hide all other things that they are on the web page. So they give you a proper space for reading purposes. With this feature, we can directly annotate web pages and save the topic we want to read later. Also, we can save it, save as bookmark also. So that's why that page or that reading article we can read in the later. Okay. Now, Action Center is also there in Windows 10. What does Action Center do? So Action Center is the center place to view notification and add and take actions that can help in the smooth functioning of the window. So they able to do a smooth functioning of your computer system with the help of Action Center. It shows alerts from the device and all the installed app on the right hand of the desktops in the slide out pane. The upper part of the slide pane shows up tips and notifications. See, these are the action centers in which we can take the action of it. Okay, so that are related to the apps, and other lower portion contain various quick actions button that helps us to change the screen color adjustment, turn on and off the Bluetooth device, change to the tablet mode, set alarm, reminders and securities. All these things we can do in the action app. Set reminders, set alarm, set we can say Bluetooth devices, connect Bluetooth devices, all these things. Now, important, creating our desktop. How we can able to create our desktop? Let's see. So Windows 10 allow us to create multiple desktops to perform different operation in an organized way. We need to follow the given steps to create a desktop. These are the steps. If you follow, you can able to create a desktop. Step 1. Click on the task view button on the taskbar. Click on task view button. Second, the task view panel will open. It shows us all the current open windows. Of course, in the task view panel, we can see all the current opening windows. Step 3, click on the new desktop button located on the top right corner of the task view pane. See, step 4, the new thumbnail desktop 2 will appear on the screen. See, desktop 2 will be appear on the screen. Okay, the other desktops are be the one which we open it. Okay. Now we will see step 5. Click on the thumbnail of the new desktop and your second desktop converted that screen. Step 6. The new desktop is a replica of your original desktop but without any one open or windows. However, we can open apps of your own choices in the desktop too. Okay. Step 7. Click on the task view button again to switch over between the desktops. See, this is the thing, we can able to switch between desktop 1 to desktops 2. In the desktop, we can say 2, we can see the original desktop of it, and desktop 1, we can see the previous tabs that we are currently working on it. Okay. Now we will see movement of apps between the desktop. Movement of apps also we can do between the desktop. How? Let's see. So once we have created a new desktop in Windows 10, we can move apps from different desktops. We need to follow the given steps to do. We need these steps to do. Okay. Step 1 to step 6. So step 1, go to the task view panel by clicking on task view button. So these are the things you can try by yourself. Click on the task view panel, then only we can do. Next, now place the mouse pointer over the thumbnail of the desktop. Step 3, the thumbnail of all the open apps will be displayed on the desktop. Step 4, right click on the app that you want to move from the other desktop. Click on that app that you want to move from one desktop to another. Choose move to. Move to option should be there. So that's why that app will be moved from one desktop to another desktop. Then only they can able to move. So choose move to options. We can say choose move to options and select the desktop you want to move to the app. And step 6, now you are drag and drop app to the another desktop. Easy peasy. How we can able to draw apps from one desktop to another desktop? Easy. Now we will see some utilities in Windows 10. So what are the utilities that is there in Windows 10 operating systems? So utility programs are programs that help us to perform day-to-day operation in Windows 10. For example, antivirus software, window media player, disk cleanups, data backup, notepad, etc. These are the things that we can use in our day-to-day life. Let us discuss some important utility program in Windows 10. Let's see what are they. Step 1 is disk cleanup. What is disk cleanup? So disk cleanups helps us to free up space on the hard disk by removing unwanted data. Of course, cleanup help us to clean all your unnecessary data that is not useful to you. It's by disk cleanup. The removal of unwanted data help us to increase the speed of the computer. So computer speed is increased by the disk cleanup. This feature help us to empty the recycle bin, remove temporary internet and downloaded program files and other items that have not been used by the user for the long time. They remove that data with the help of disk cleanup. Next is window media player is also there. So window media player is a useful utility program in Windows 10 that help us to organize and run audio and video files. So they help us to organize our work. They help us to do audio visual files. It does also help to play audio radio stations which is available all over the world with the help of internet connections. This software allow us to do copies, musics and videos to other portable devices. With the help of media player, we can able to listen musics or we can able to watch videos by the help of media player. We can copy and create CD, DVDs using window media player. This is window media. We can mostly use this software to listen music. Copy to CD to your computers. Also, we do copy with the help of CD. Okay, so this feature of window media player help us to copy songs from CD or DVDs to another computer hard disk. So we can do copy with the help of CD and DVDs. This process of copying music file is known as RIP. So copying music is known as RIP. So once the songs are copied to your computer system, we can listen it and enjoy it with the help of window media player. So window media player help us to listen the music with the help of it. We can also organize song, create playlist and transfer the songs to other portable devices. We can also copy the data from one computer to CDs or DVDs using video media players. So we can do copy of your data through CDs to media player to CDs. This is how we can do. Now, playing a movie or a video using VLC media player. So the VLC help us for the video, and for the listening music we can use media player, and VLC for the video. Okay, so this is VLC. The symbol of VLC is like this. Okay, so VLC media player is an easy to use application that help us to play audio and video files on the computers. So they help us to play audio and video files. To play music using VLC, we need to do following steps. We have to follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the Start All App Video LAN VLC Media Player. The VLC Media Player window appears on the screen. You can also direct to the search box, type VLC Media Player. If you directly go on search bar, type VLC, then only it can open. The VLC Media Player's windows will appear after clicking on it. In the video menu, click on Open File button. See, Open File button, click on it. Step 3, an open file dialog box will appear. Select the audio video that you want to play. Select the audio video which you want to play from your desktop. Then if you click on OK or open, click on open, then your video will be played like this. This is how we can play videos in VLC. Now we will see working with control panel, how control panels do all these things. So control panels contain all the setting of the computer system. So all the computer settings is there in the control panel. With the help of control panel, we can make changes into the appearance and setting of the window. Setting of the window is changes with the help of control panel. The setting that can be changed through control panels are, these are the settings we can change with the control panel. Change the system setting, adding and removing software and hardware, changing the appearance of the desktops and personalizing it, changing the internet and network settings we can do with the help of control panel. And also changing login IDs and password and create user account also. And the sixth one is just setting lock and change time and date of the computer system is also done with the help of control panel. So we can access the control panel by the following steps. So go on the Start All Apps Windows System, choose control panel from the sub list which is display. We can also type a control panel in the search box and open the search box, open the control panel and do all these things, change date, time, change system setting, remove or add some hardware or software. Okay, so let's see how we can able to change date and time in the computer system. Now let's see how we can change the date and time of the system. Okay, so we can also change the date and the time of the computer system. We need to follow the given steps to change it. We follow these steps to change it. Step 1, go on the control panel and then click on date and time option. Second, the date and time tab will be selected. Third, click on change date and time. See, change date and time option is there in the control panel. Click on that and then choose the current date in the display calendar. So you can change date and time according to the current scenario. Change the month through the arrow button. Okay, these things try it yourself. Okay, step 5, to change the hour, select the hour in the text box which is located below the clock. Step 6, click on the spine arrow to increase or decrease the hour as per your requirement. Similarly, change minutes and second also if you want to do. And step 7, click OK if you are done with the date and time. See, this is how arrow is there to increase and decrease the time of it, and the calendar is also there to put the date on it. Okay, we can increase, we can decrease the month and we can increase the month from here. And click OK, your date and time is ready to go. Change fonts. How we can change the size of it? Let's see. So the writing of the text in a various style and different sizes is known as font. Font is the text style. So we usually use different types of fonts like Arial, Times of Romans, Calibre, etc. In different software, we can also change fonts setting by the window, which can be displayed on the paper as well as on the screen. We can add, remove, or view different fonts through the control panel. So control panel also have different font size, so we can change it. Let us see how we do. First, go on the control panel, click on the font size. See, the control panel is there, font size is there. See, the font window will be appear on the screen. See, now we can see the different types of styles. So if you want to view any font, double click on it. So click on double see, different font style are there. It's up to you what font style you want. Step 4, you can also add new fonts by just dragging and dropping or pasting it. Okay, so dragging, pasting, with the help of it, we can able to do. Just drag the font that you want to add on the control panel or copy it and paste it in the fonts folder in the control panel. This is how we can copy the font text. Okay, now we will see. A new font will be added in the control panel folder. See, the new font will be added like this. Whatever you can select, that your text will be converted into that. Now, changing mouse setting. How we can able to change the mouse setting of your computer? Okay, so with the help of control panel, we can change the setting of the mouse in many ways. We can change the appearance of the mouse pointer, changing the function is left and right mouse button, or we can change the speed of the mouse wheel. Speed of the mouse wheel also change. Let us learn how we do. First, of course, control panel is there. Go on control panel, select the mouse option. See, the mouse option is there. Okay, so control panel is just like the, we can say whatever the problem you are facing, we can go in control panel and correct it. Second step is the mouse properties dialog box will appear on the screen. See, mouse properties there. Okay, so then step 3, click on the button tab and then do any of the following. So first is to tap the function of the right and left mouse button. Under the button configuration, select the switch primary and secondary button clear box. B part, to change how quickly you must click on the button to perform the double click. Under double click speed, move the speed, slide and slow or fast. In the speed also you can move how your mouse can able to perform function. Okay, we can do with the help of switch primary and secondary buttons. Okay, step 4, click on pointer tab to change the appearance of the mouse pointer. So mouse pointer appearance is changed with the pointer. Step 5, we can also change the image or icon of the pointer and choose any mouse pointer scheme. Any mouse pointer schemes we can choose. See, these are the mouse pointers. Mostly we can use plus, we can use some circle thing, some other pointers are also there. See, these are the schemes we can use. Okay, now step 6, click on apply to apply all the changes made, or click on use default if you do not want to use customized settings. So if you do not know, these are the things we can choose it. Step 7, click on the motion tab to change the speed of the mouse pointer. Of course, speed of the mouse pointer also can change. And step 8, click on apply, then OK. If you click on OK, then your mouse is automatically converted into that. Now we will see how to replace double click with single clicks. See, these are the things we can do. How we can replace double click with single clicks? Can we able to do? Yes, but how? Mostly when you have to double click on a folder or any file, then only it can open. So we can change it double click to single click also. Okay, so we can replace double click of a mouse to open a file or a folder or a program with a single click also. So we need the following steps. So we have to need the following step. Step 1, go on the control panel and click on File Explorer options. The File Explorer options dialog box will appear on the screen. See, the File Explorer option is there. Step 2, in the File Explorer option dialog box, turn on the single click to open an item. So single click option should be clicked. So that's why it is changed into double to single click. Now only you can single click on it, your file and folder is ready to open, which is present in the click item as follows section. Step 3, now turn on the underline icons title only when I pointed at them option under the single click sub option. And step 4, click on OK. Then you're ready to go. Then any of your file and folder, click on the single click only. Okay. Next, we will see power save modes. So in the computer also, power save modes are there to save your battery, to save your battery of your phone. Okay, battery of your computer. So Windows provide us many power saving modes that can activate it from time to time as per your needs. Let us learn what are they. First is sleep mode. Now your computer is gone in sleep. So in this power saving mode, the computer is not turning off completely but goes into rest mode. It is not switched off, it is on rest mode. This means the monitor and the hard disk of the computer is turned off and all the open file and folders are put in RAM so that the system uses less power. Okay, this mode can be quickly converted to full power mode as we start working on the computer. Okay, as we can start working on the computer, it converted into the real one. This switch from small power mode to full power mode can be activated quickly. We can follow these steps to put the computer into the sleep mode. If you want your computer to be put in the sleep mode, follow these steps. First, click on the power option in the start button. Start button, power button is there. In the power button, we can see click on the sleep mode and the computer will be switched over to the sleep mode. This is how your computer moves in the sleep mode. Next is hibernate mode. So hibernate mode is also there. So hibernate mode is similar to sleep mode. It is similar to the sleep mode, but in this mode, the computer shut down completely. The computer shut down completely so that the power uses 0. Before hibernating, our computer save all the open file, program and the folder on the hard disk. So it save all your file folders in your hard disk and then it completely switched off. Instead of RAM as its sleep mode. In the sleep mode, all the file and folder come into the RAM, but here it converted or it will go on the hard disk. When we reset the computer, we find the same desktop as we left. Okay, so these are the things to save our electricity, to save our computer battery. So this is the chapter all about. I'm hoping so this chapter is totally clear to you. Any doubt? Okay, clear? So yeah, this is the chapter all about. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye bye.